Hello everyone, we have another install video for you today, and it's all about the TORQ locker. So they call this an Aussie locker, very similar to a lunchbox locker, so it's going to be affordable. This particular series, they say that you're able to install it yourself, and honestly, when you open it up, there's only a couple components, so it doesn't look too complicated. We're gonna walk you through it, tell you exactly what you're gonna need to do, what you're gonna need to change, so let's get started.
They look so beautiful.
Beautiful?
Now it's time to install these bad boys. Yep. And this is how it looks, guys. As you can see, it is not hard at all. You have the locker in, and basically you have to be careful with this locking pin. or I don't know how it's this one called, because this one have like a hole there, and basically you have to align it with this hole right here. So just push it through like this. Right there, and then the last step would be to push this pin through so you can lock everything, and this is how it looks. As you can see, you can totally do this at home if you have the tools, of course, but it is not hard at all. Well, and now we are going to be showing you the clicking sound that it makes, and that's totally normal, guys. It is only going to make it in 4-wheel drive, so you have to bear that in. That's the clicking sound right there. And that's totally normal.
Alright everyone, so there you have it. You saw it here. We want to thank our friends at Outlaw Off-Road for letting us use their lift and install it, or installing it for us so that we can film the process for you guys. This video is brought to you by our friends at TORQ. So that is the brand of the locker, and guys, I think it retails for somewhere around, it depends on your front diff or your rear diff, but anywhere from like $200 to $400, which is extremely affordable if you're looking for a quick fix, a quick solution to have lockers to help you out on the trail. So we're gonna make sure to include everything in the description, so all your links, anything that you need. This company is made in the USA, or located in the USA, so definitely good to support someone like this. Their customer service is amazing, so if you have any questions, make sure that you call them. Any install, anything, they're gonna walk you through it and let you know exactly what you need to do. So thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, if you enjoyed the video, a big thumbs up, share with your friends and family, and we'll see you next time.